Hi there, welcome to the channel and welcome to another video from Japan. Yay! Today we're taking a train ride down to the coastal town of Kamakura. So come and join me, and remember, if you like the video, please subscribe, please hit the like button, hit the little bell for notifications, and I will see you in a bit. So here's our train. We're currently at the Ibisu station and getting a train down to Kamakura. Wow, we've got a double-decker train. Check that out. Very cool. So we've reached Kamakura station. That was about a 40-minute train ride, and we're just heading down now to get a local train, or a tram even, to get to our next destination, which you will see in a sec. Yay! Let's do it! So yeah, just navigating our way around the train station, heading over to the temple exit. That's where we're off. So this is the platform for the local train, which I think is more of a tram, like a tram train, if that makes any sense. Just at the side of the station there, some beautiful sakura. Just about to head into sakura season over here in Japan. A little bit early, but that's gorgeous. Wow.
一度お降りになりまして、降りのお客様を通しいただけますよう。次は由比ヶ浜でございます。お出口は左側です。
So we've just arrived at Hase, a destination for the temples. It's about a 6-minute walk, I think, from here. So yeah, let's do it. That was such a lovely train ride. I enjoyed it. Look at these old trains. Fantastic. So cute. Okay. So we've got about a 5-minute walk just down the side of the train line. Some lovely old buildings and traditional houses up here. Absolutely gorgeous place. Check this out. So cute. So we're just heading up towards the temple now, towards the shrine. Really beautiful. Wow, looks amazing. Check out the train line, goes all the way up. So that was the beautiful Gyoro Shrine in Kamakura. Wow, absolutely stunning, peaceful, and with the lovely train going in the side. Okay, let's have another mooch around and see what else we can find in this amazing place. Yeah, we're just winding our way down the back streets now after looking at that beautiful shrine. It's amazing, the trains and the railway comes straight through the middle of town. Whoa, fantastic. What a lovely place to live. There's my band up there. I love these little vans. Check them out. Oh. So we're just heading down the shopping street now, the main bit of Kamakura. Loads of souvenir shops and places to eat and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, let's have a look around. Very, very busy. There's a heap of people here today. Today is, let me get my time differences right. Today is Tuesday, I think. But yeah, it's really, really busy. A lot of people enjoying this beautiful town. Oh, something smells good. Something smell like pastry or waffles, that sort of smell. God blimey. Some souvenirs, a little bento, oh, some mochi. Check that out. Wow. Look how gorgeous this street is. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh. All the old buildings up there on the hill at the back. Wow. Got a matcha shop here. I've been obsessed with this stuff. I'm loving it. Wow. Lovely. Nice bike. Woohoo! Harley. More souvenirs here on the side. Lovely. Oh, this place is absolutely beautiful. I've got my ticket. Let's do this. Hello, hey cuties. This is just spectacular. It's so beautiful, a bamboo fountain at the back there. Beautiful waterfall there. I'm just going to give you a spin around so you can see where we are. Okay, let's just head up a bit further and see what else we can find. So beautiful and so peaceful. Amazing. Oh, this is so gorgeous. is just real Japan. Check it out. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, there's a lovely viewpoint coming up here, so yeah, let's go and have a look. Hope you're enjoying it. I sure am. Blimey, beware of kites. Okay, check this view out. It's amazing. What a view. Some vending machines, of course. Little place to eat. Arigato gozaimasu. Thank you. Thank you. Arigato. Thank you. So I've just got myself Japanese dumpling. Wow, that's amazing. Let's do it. Yep, here goes. Let's do it. That is so delicious. Yummy. What a place, it's so amazing. Still going up, but check out this view. I'm getting my steps on this trip, that's for sure. Oh, how lovely. But check this out. That was a bit of trek up there, but well worth it. Amazing stuff. Yay! Got to get down now. Ah. It's a bit steep here, but check it out. Woo! Bamboo. Lovely. And there's the town in the background just over there. This is such an amazing place to visit. If you're ever in Japan, get here. Kamakura. It's a lovely place. Oh, and so relaxed, so relaxing, calming. Beautiful environment, lovely. Absolutely amazing. And you get your steps in, you get your exercise. So yeah. Okay, let's carry on. Arigato gozaimasu, thank you. So I've just ordered myself a vegetable bun. I love the little eating place there. So yeah, let's give it a go. It looks amazing and it's really hot. It's so cute. Yummy, that was delicious. So cheap too. 290 yen. Oh, lovely stuff. Okay, I'm just going for a 100 yen fortune. So yeah, you just pop a 100 yen in the box. There, ba-dump, and grab yourself a fortune. If it's a good fortune, you keep it. If it's not so good, you tie it to the tree over there to get rid of it. So yeah, let's see what it is. So So yeah, I got a good fortune. Yay! So I'm going to keep it. So we're just heading into the caves now. Ooh. Quiet please, it says. Shh. Wow, that was amazing. So the rain started. So I'm hiding under my umbrella, but I'm still having an absolutely fantastic time down here. As I nearly fell over, better watch what I'm doing. So just behind me here, we've got a pottery studio. And if you can see there, a lot of people having a go at doing pottery. Absolutely lovely. Oh, such a beautiful place, some amazing places. Nice golf convertible there. So I just went for a beautiful curry in a traditional Japanese restaurant. Absolutely gorgeous. The building was about 100 years old. I was just talking to the lady who owned it. They'd renovated the kitchen, but all the seating area and the restaurant itself was original. So yeah, have a look at it. It's stunning. So I'm back at the train station now after a lovely curry. Oh, that was absolutely delicious. And we're just about to head over to the island of Enoshima. So yeah, come and join me. We're going to get a local tram, I think. So let's do it.
Enoshima 方面藤沢行きです。当駅17時43分の発車です。ご乗車になりました。
So we've just arrived in Enoshima on the lovely train. It's very, very popular, this train, because it was actually an anime was based on this train called Slam Dunk, an old retro anime. So yeah, check it out. So yeah, we're just here. It's got dark now, so yeah, well, we're not going to see much. We'll soon find out. It's a lovely ride on the train though, amazing. So yeah, the rain's still coming down a little bit, not too bad, but yeah, this little town is like a coastal town, big surf beach as well, so there's quite a lot of surf shops knocking about. Check the registration plate on this cool car. 1. Won't forget that, won't you? What's my number plate? 1. Lots of nice cafes and ice cream shops and places to eat. Lovely. So yay, it's gone dark, but we made it to the beach. I'll give you a spin round. Woo, there's the ocean behind me. Yay, fantastic. My camera's about to run out of battery now as well, so I will sign off. And yeah, I don't know if you can see me very well, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, please hit the like button, hit the little bell for notifications, and I will see you in a bit. Take care, bye.